So hey everyone. So today I'm going to teach you some functionalities of ls command. In previous tutorial you have learned about the different types of commands and what is Linux and like what is the use of Linux. I have explained in a long video. If you have not watched that video, then please go to my channel and you can see my that video in last uploaded playlist. So not playlist, sorry. The last uploaded video was that. So in this channel, you will get to know about various types of tech news, tech content, and technical education. So if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for fastest notification. So today I'm in fever, like it is 100 and 101. So still I love to make videos for you guys. So please support and please subscribe if you are new to this channel. So today what I'm going to discuss about the some commands functionalities like ls command and what are the basic functionalities of ls, how we can use that ls command in a different way. So in this video I'm going to say that. So let's start the video. So you can see my screen. This is Ubuntu. So in this Ubuntu I right click on it and open in terminal. So now you can see my terminal. So first command I press cd because I want to change the directory to my home directory. So let's start what are the file contents and folders we have in this directory. So if I do ls, then you can see the list of files and directories in this content. So this ls has lots of functionalities. So how we can know that? So we can know that by man ls. So today we are going to teach about the all the functionalities, not all but approximate 90% what we are using means in our daily life or daily Linux machine. So let's start. So here you can see the ls command give the contents of files and folders. So now if I do ls-a, so ls-a is for the content for the hidden. It is searching for the hidden content. If any content is hidden, so how do I know that is hidden? So you can see by the ls command you cannot see this type of dot profile or dot bash underscore log or dot file. So these are called hidden file in Linux. So if I want to extract that in any folder, then we can use ls-a. So ls-a is gone. Next, ls-l, that is the most commonly used. So it will give us all the uh, necessary information like what is the ownership, what is the permission in user group and others level, what are the size, when the last file was modified. So this ls-l generally we use. So this ls-l is basically gives us a lots of information under any folders or about any folders on any files. So next, jump to the next command. Okay, before that we do a clear because it is used for clearing the screen. So next, jump to the next command, that is ls-la. So ls-la is the combination of ls-a and ls-l. So ls-a means it will search the hidden content of the underlying directories, and ls-l it will give the it will give lots of information about any folders and files. So if we combine that, then we can get what? We can get this. Now you can see that we can know or we can learn about the or we can know about the permissions and other information, means what is the size of the hidden directory and hidden files also. So that is ls-al or la. You can use in both types. So next point is ls-s. So what is ls-s? ls-s is basically you can see that ls-s is give some number in this beside the folder and file. So if you do man ls and if you search what is ls-s, so you can find that ls-s basically gives some information about the size, means not size, means sort by file. The largest first means the size. Print the allocated size of each file in blocks, means what is the block size is taken by this folder and files. You can see that is 4, this 180, that can be got by ls-s. So if we jump to the next command, ls-capital S, then you can see, like, if we do ls-capital S, then it will sort the content under the home folder in terms of the first alphabet, like 2, this number, this takes the number as a first, then data test, then desktop, then documents. So ls-s, what is given by ls-s? ls-capital S it basically gives the size, not size. ls-capital S is basically uh, sorts the sorts from file size, means the largest will be uh, the first output and then the smaller one. So now we want to check the human readable format. Like when you do ls-l, then you can see some value. So what is this value? Means what are the value? This is in byte, not in human readable format. So how do I make this in human readable format? So if I do ls-h, then we can ls-lh, then we can find that the human readable size, like that is 1.7 megabyte of this size, that is 104 byte, and this is 4 kilobyte, this is 173 byte. So ls-lh is a very useful command. Now if I do ls-lh, so it will give the human readable size of hidden content, like you can say 0, and this is 5. What is means 5? This 5 means 5 byte. Okay, so this is the use of ls-lh or ls-h. So now if we use this command, now you can see ls-capital R. ls-capital R gives the all the directory structure and what are the files are present in the directory, means all directory under that. This will give all the information and that can be got by ls-capital R. So this is very useful command. Like you can see under uh, what to say, like in this directory, means in which I have access, I can see all the necessary information, not only the home directory. Okay, so now you can see that these are not the home directory, this is not present in home directory. Okay, if I do ll-osec, so this is not present in the, like, not in the, sorry, this is present in the home directory. Yeah, so this information is given by ls-capital R. So now if I do ls-small r, so suppose small rl, so what is the output of it? So you can see the output. So this is the reverse. This is used for reversing if we want to print in a reverse format, like it is printing the output from the last to first. Okay, so by that you can get that, means ls-rl. Okay, so now next go to the command ls-ld. So ls-ld is the command which is only give the information about the present directory, in present home directory, not the other directory or other files and folders present in it. So if I do data test, then you can see the, sorry, not ls-ls, this is ls-ld. You can see only the data test, only the folder, not printing the size of other files. If I do ls-l data test, then you can see like the other information. But if I want to see the upper folder information, then you can see ls-ld data test. Now you can see all the information about the data test. Okay. So these are the some basic uh, information of ls, what we use. Now if I go to the some advanced type information, like suppose if I do ls-f, then you can see that it will print all the directory with this slash at the end. So this is advanced level command. So any Linux user know that, but everyone doesn't know about this. So this is the um, good command, ls-capital F. Now in this case, if I want to know the inode value. So what is inode value? Inode value means the block size is taken by the files and folder. Like you can see, this is the inode value. So if I do this, then you can see the inode value. So this inode value is different for every files and folders. So now you can see that every folders and files have or has inode value. So by ls-i we can know that, or know that we can get that inode value. So now we can see what we can use. Okay, so uh, there are lots of commands we can use, but I have explained the most used commands, and you can use the other commands in your machine, so that you know means what is the use of it, or else we can do. So the last I want to know, if I want to know the version of the ls, so how do I know that ls-version? Now you can get the all the details, like who have written this and what is the version of it. You can see that. So that's all about ls command. So hopefully it will help you to know about the ls command, like how we can use that ls. So another thing is alias. What is alias? Alias is we can set a command in a specific command in our home directory, then we can run that. That I will explain in next videos. So hopefully you have learned in these videos very well, and I'm trying to do my best to take like to take this channel in a very huge level. So hopefully it will be very helpful for all, like all the international person, not only in India and Bangladesh, because my other videos are in Bengali. So I'm trying to use different types of language, means only Bengali and English, because English is because of I use English because of the international, because who English is international language. I think every country some person like can understand, and Bengali is our native language. So I am trying to this do this video in this type of language. So hopefully you love my video. If I say anything wrong, or like any wrong information, then please comment as a feedback, and let's meet on next video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification, and please support. Thanks.